All right, well, all in all, the temperatures aren't bad out there, but we do have to deal with that smoke, so you can't really get out and enjoy it, I suppose.
It was almost like Mother Nature was just toying with us, because on the bike ride in to work, I thought, wow, it's cleared up.
Yeah, great. It was nice this morning at 3:30 when we came to work.
And then 5 o'clock, it wasn't too bad as we started our show, but it really moved in by 6 o'clock. It's really pretty thick out there, kind of miserable. Anyway, areas of smoke today. In fact, I would say it might even be thicker based on our sky cams and webcams. Near 80 degrees today through Friday, and some showers possible on Saturday, hopefully, with some weather changes coming our way. We might see things clear up by the weekend. I'd hate to have to deal with a smoke like this, though, for 4 more days, you know. But cooler temperatures coming our way on Sunday and Monday as well. But there is our view outside, and there is the city of trees down there somewhere below, the smoke and the haze. 64 degrees, winds are calm. That's what we see when we have a stagnant weather pattern like this due to a ridge of high pressure. Winds are calm, humidity at 32%, feels like temperature 64. 44 degrees, our current temperature in Stanley. They're still on the chilly side. They made it down into the 20s. 51 in McCall. They were below freezing, along with Baker City earlier this morning. We're at 64 with smoky conditions. Here is our almanac page for this Tuesday, October the 13th. We're forecasting a high today, 12 degrees above normal. It might even be 2 to 3 degrees warmer if it wasn't for the thick smoke out there. Again, 12 degrees above normal. The record 88 will be closer to the record on Saturday, within striking distance of it. Here's our satellite radar map. We have a big ridge of high pressure carved out across the Pacific Northwest and a good portion of the West Coast that forces the jet stream up well to the north. It's a very dry and stagnant pattern, not much wind to really clear out the smoke. Here's our satellite map. Also, under these conditions, clouds are pretty scarce. We have a low pressure system right here. Eventually, this could send us some moisture up through California, and combined with a low pressure trough dropping down from the Gulf of Alaska for our changes, but that won't be until Saturday. In the meantime, we're looking at more of the same. Here's our Futurecast computer model. As we move through the time steps, no big changes. Clouds pretty scarce. All the way through Wednesday on into Thursday. There we have a little bit of more moisture moving up from the south that could be a factor on Saturday. In the meantime, here's our high resolution Futurecast, just a smattering of clouds moving through on Thursday and Friday, but that is about it. Here is our forecast then, looking at sunny and warm conditions. Twin Falls high about 82 degrees, 79 for Jerome. And for Sun Valley, you're at daytime highs in the lower 70s for McCall and Cascade. Highs in the lower 70s as well, a little bit warmer in Riggins and Council, upper 70s for you folks. Western end of the valley, we're going to have to deal with the smoke the most down here in the Treasure Valley, but we might even see this smoke expand a little farther eastward with a northeast wind later in the week. And for Boise, sunny with areas of smoke and highs pretty close to 80 degrees over the next few days. And then there's that chance of showers on Saturday, much cooler from Saturday into Sunday. And also Monday looks a little bit on the cool side, but still slightly above normal. That is local weather.